I'm going to make a little bit deeper about the CT installation, because we found that the top problem of the installation is CT. So let's spend a little bit time about the CT installation. Here we go. So except the PV module, there are about 5 main parts in the solar system: hydraulic inverter, CT, and a switch box, smart meter, and home road. So how can we install the CT exactly? We just highlight 4 points to install the CT: position, direction, and the CT function, and the CT sequence. So you can see the left picture. This is a CT physical diagram. This is for single phase inverter. So single phase inverter with 1 CT, and for 3-piece inverter include 3 CTs. So we can see that there is an error on the CT. Let's move on the right picture here. So there's a position A, position B, and position C. So make sure that our CT should place in the position B. So it is installed between the switch box and to the grid meter. And don't forget, the arrow should point to the grid meter, because CT detected the current from the home road. So this CT installed here could detect all the home road current. And you can see that at the bottom of the inverter, there is a IP65 cover. So when you tear down the cover, we can see the port, USB port, and CT BMS port simply connect to the CT point here. So it can be corrected the information and report to the inverter, and also update to our monitor system exactly. And here the left picture, it is a switch box. So we can see so many switch here. So very important is to make sure this is for a 3-phase inverter. So we can see that there are 3 CT here. So phase A connect with CTA, and the phase B connect with CTB, and phase 3 connect with CTC. So, and you can see that the right picture, they are arrow, and all the arrow direction should point to the grid. And once you install the CT, and you should back to the inverter and do the system setting. And you should communication with our customer. Does our customer want to sell his energy to the grid or not? If he still want to sell the power to the grid, we shall disable anti-reflex. And if he does not want to sell the power to the grid, we just simply enable our anti-reflex. Here we can see the single phase inverter is installed. And here, the right side, the 3-phase inverter is installed as well. So it's easier to install the CT. And here we want to share the case about the CT installation. One customer installed 6 kilowatt solar site, and with a PV module, 6,000 watts, and inverter installed once the inverter with 5 kilowatt, and the battery 10 kWh, and home load 4,800 watt. And customer divide the home load into 2 parts, and one connect to the EPS to keep the backup, and another side connect with the grid. So once our PV and our battery could not provide enough power to the home load, so we can buy the energy from the grid side. So, and once he done the installation. The problem is he cannot see the data from the app. You can see that the grid power is 0, so he just connect with me, and we have figured out what's the problem. So I ask our customer to take a video for us. Let's check the customer install CT here with single phase. As we mentioned that the CD should install the place should near the grid meter. We can see that the customer installed the CT under the bottom, at the bottom of the inverter. So the CT could not detect the current from the home load. So that's why the grid always shows 0, 0, 0. So we ask our customer to check and modify his CT installation. So let's summarize the CT installation: the position, direction, and CT function and the sequence. So make sure the position, the CT should install in the place near the switch box and point to, and the arrow should point to the grid. And if you install the 3-phase inverter, there are 3 CT, so each one should connect to the right phase. CTA connected with phase A, and the CTB connected with phase B, and the CTC connected with phase 3. And the disable or enable the CT function. Exactly. Thank you.